Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Usman Chaudhary and you are watching Technology Explore. Today I received a text message from one of my Facebook follower, Mr. Ajay, and he want to know how to make a gear mate in SolidWorks assemblies for helical gears. So let's start without wasting time. Open SolidWorks and then from top left side click on new and then double click on the assembly. Now first of all close this dialog for begin assembly and then on the left side click here on design library. From here select toolbox and then you can select input method NC inch or NC metric. So at the moment I am going to use NC metric. Then scroll down and from here double click on power transmission. After that double click on gears. So first option is for helical gears. Click and drag this gear in the assembly. And then in the left side here are the options for this helical gear. So scroll down. First of all this is the module. So select module 1. Then there are number of teeth. Select your desired number of teeth. So at the moment I am selecting 11. Then again scroll down. And here is the direction. So for this gear leave the right hand and then this is helix angle. So type here 45 degree. Then here is the pressure angle. You can select 14.5 or 20. So at the moment I am using 20. Then again scroll down. Here is the face width. So total length from this face up to this face. So you can edit it 1.5. Then scroll down. Here is the hub style. So you can select for both sides. Here is the hub diameter 20 and then overall length for the hub shaft. Type here 35 and then scroll down. And these are rest of the options for this gear. Then press OK button to create this gear. So we need only one gear. Close this dialog. Again go to design library and then again click and drag this gear in the assembly. Now we have to create a larger gear. So again from here scroll down. Module 1 number of teeth are 22. So at this time we have to reverse the direction for helix. So instead of right handed select left hand and then leave the rest of the settings as they are. Then press OK button to create. So we need only one gear. Close this dialog. Next step is that as we had created this gear first, so it is fixed. It could not be moved. Right click on it and then make it float. Then press and hold Control key from your keyboard and select this face and this face and make their relation coincident. Then again press and hold Control key and then select this face and right plane. Now make their relation coincident. After that click on this face and then sketch on it. Now make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and then draw a line and start it from origin. Horizontal line and then press escape button. Now define this line 21 millimeter. Press escape button. Now press this button to save and exit from sketch. After that press and hold Control key and select this cylindrical face and this point. Make their relation concentric. Similarly select this cylindrical face and this point and make their relation concentric. Select this face and then make normal to. So from here you can see we have to extend the length of this line For that, click on this line and then sketch edit it. Instead of 21, type here 23.5 millimeter and then save and exit from sketch. Now press this button for rebuild. Now it seems to be okay. So now what we need to do is to hiding these extra lines. So click on them and then hide them one by one. Next step is to creating a mate. So for that, click on mate option here and then scroll down. From here select advanced mates and in the advanced mates select gear. Now select this cylindrical face and type here number of teeth 22. Then select this cylindrical face and type here number of teeth 11. Then press OK button. Again press OK button. So this gear mate has been created for our helix gears. Now you can verify it. So this is how we have to create gear mates. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.